Hello, Room 18. It is story time again with Mrs. Carnazzo. Today's story is called The Flea's Sneeze by Carla Firehammer. On a dark, dark night in an old, old farm in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. He's getting a little bit sick. No one heard him sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for the house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Ooh, sounds like he has a bad cold. Not coronavirus, just a cold. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Poor flea, getting sick. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed eew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Ooh, all the animals are scared. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. Oh, good, he's going to sleep. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, and even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. That's what happens with the cold. Everybody's gonna catch it. Gotta wash your hands. Remember that you're hopefully at home, you're washing your hands. All right, thanks for joining me for Storytime with Mrs. Carnazzo.